Someone put an entire marketing agency on GitHub for free. SEO, copywriting, email sequences, conversion optimization, more than 30 skills that would easily cost more than thousands of dollars if you hired a marketing agency. The GitHub repository has more than 17,000 stars, and I'm going to show you how to install, set it up, and run your first marketing skill. By the end of this video, you will have a full AI marketing agency running on your machine. And I will show you the output so you can judge by yourself. All right, so let's go. All right, guys. So the GitHub repository is this one. It's called Marketing Skills. It's made by Corey Haynes 31, right? So you can just go and check it. I'm gonna leave the link on the description. It has 17,500 stars, so it's very starred, like it's very good. It means like a very good quality of repository, right? So if we scroll down a bit here, we will see this, which is very cool. So we have the product marketing context. So as I said, we have the SEO, we have the CRO, content and copy, page and management, growth and retention, sales and GTM, go to market, and strategy, right? So if you scroll a little bit, you will have all access to all these skills, right? So there's so many, okay? So we're gonna test a few of them, not all of them, of course, otherwise we would spend the whole day here. But as you can see, there's so many, and it's really more than a full marketing agency here, okay? All right, so for you to install, there are two ways, right? So the first one is just coming here and download zip, so you can download the full repository, and then you would go to skills and then just use those skills, okay? The second one, which is kind of the right way of doing it, is scrolling down here, and there is like this option here, or there's actually more options of installing. I like using, if you use Claude Code, I like using this one. So we're gonna use the marketplace from Claude Code, just /plugin, marketplace, add, and then the name of the repository and the name of the repository. Oh, sorry, the name of the username, and then the name of the repository. And then plugin install, marketing skills. And then you will have all these skills available globally, okay? Cool. All right, so if you want, there is other ways to install, but really either one will be useful for you. Okay, all right, so let's go and jump into the code. All right, so here is the code that I created. So if you are downloading the skills manually, you can just put it here. If you are using the plugin, it will be available globally. Okay, so don't worry about that if you have it globally. If you don't have it, if you download it manually, just drag and drop into the skills folder. Okay. All right, so I created this index.html, which is this landing page here, and I asked it to create a very bad SEO. So if we go to the Lighthouse and ask it to analyze page load, you will see that the SEO is very, very bad, okay? And also not only that, but the copywriting of the website, this landing page, is pretty bad, okay? So like, look at that, the headline, new AI powered workspace. We built a really cool thing for you, like so bad. And as you can see, this SEO is 36, right? So if we go back to the repository here, let's scroll up a bit, and we can find here the AI-SEO, which we're gonna use to develop the SEO of our landing page here. Okay, so let's do it now. Okay, so if you have your project, you just need your project here, of course. Okay, and then you have to ask the AI to fix your SEO project. Okay, all right, so let's do it. I'm gonna call /AI-SEO. Okay, and then I'm gonna say please fix the SEO of my landing page, index.html. So it's gonna start working on it, and then I'm gonna come back when it's done. All right, guys, so it's done, and let's see the results. If we go back here to the landing page, let's just refresh and let's ask again for the to analyze the page load with the SEO and if we get a good result of the SEO. Wow. Okay, we got 100 now on SEO, so it looks very, very good. And so SEO is done. Now we're gonna work with the copywriting. So let's see it. Let's find the copywriting skill. Copywriting here. So just /copywriting /copywriting, and then please fix the copywriting of index.html. So let me just see how it is now. So we have the managed projects 3x faster with AI, Flowdesk, and then just let's see the difference we're gonna have. Let me just take a print screen of this. I'm gonna put it here, and yeah, let's see if something is gonna change here. So let's go. All right, guys, so it's done, and let's see the results. So if we scroll up a bit, we can see that there was a change on the headline. It was manage projects 3x faster with AI, and it changed to stop managing projects, start finishing them. That's cool. The CTA has changed, call to action, start free trial to try Flowdesk free. That's cool. It's free. It calls more the attention of the users, right? We have the features here, how it works. So lots of change. Let's just see how it is now. Let's just refresh. So the headlines here. Let's see the change. If you refresh, so now we have stop managing projects, start finishing them. All right, that's so cool. All right, so now the last one that I'm gonna do is the cold email. Okay, so I'm gonna use the cold email to say, please write a nice pitch for the potential. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys to see it better. All right, so please write a nice pitch for the potential client of this product. And let's see the results for this one, and I will come back when it's done. All right, I think it's already done. Yeah, okay, that was quick. Let's see. What do we have here? So the opening touch, we have the subject, sprint planning, to VP of engineer. Okay, hey, first name, noticed that the company is hiring for a couple of PM roles. Usually means the project management setup is getting stretched. Curious, how much of your Monday goes to sprint planning and backlog grooming? For most teams we talk to, it's 2-3 hours before anyone writes a line of code and blah, blah, blah. It looks cool. And there's an email to new angle. Subject, the Jira migration question. Okay. That looks really, really cool. Proof of points, email 3, email 4 breakup, day 14. Why this sequence works. That's so cool. And that's all. There's all the explanation of why this sequence works. Yeah, all right. So you can just play around. Of course, there's so many skills, and I find it really nice. I've been using for all my projects. And yeah, again, I'm gonna leave this link on the description, the first link, so you can have access and play around with all these skills. Okay, I hope you like it. If you like, thumbs up. If you want more content about AI and automation and business, just subscribe to the channel. All right, okay, see you guys on the next video.